No one can perceive the kind of pressure that piles up with every minute that passes by, but that did not mean broke down, quite the opposite actually. Ban the mobile to the max extent possible. But believe me, mobiles have a major impact on your time. Though you may be following these by JEE or some other sites and apps for your prep. At the same time, it's a time rob, as simple to state it. 2 years it does seem a big period, right? But if your favorite food item is sweet, you'll notice the time it took you to savor in 4 sweet will be more than these 2 years. Give your minds to work. But some concepts may not be within the grasp of one's mind. At such cases, you can use BIJEE or #learn. Minimal contact with relatives. Trust me, this period of 2 years will have more events than your life witnessed so far. Cousins' marriage, get-together, family trips, whatnot. Hardwire yourself with the will to go on, never look back. Skip all the events, unless it just cannot be skipped. Event passes by, even here minimize the number of days. Proper sleep and food. We all know the saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy and wealthy. This is the only truth taught to us in our childhood. There are scientific reasons to support the statement. Do not at any cost miss your breakfast. People say night offers peace to study, but the conflict with sleep is one battle that can't be won. Don't have those 14-16-hour studies per day. No matter how good your IQ is, you cannot take in that much amount of heat at a tender age. Rather have those 6-7 hours sleep, 3 hours altogether for nature duties and quenching your hunger. 2 8s, 1 hour in the morning and 1 in the evening for relaxation. Short notes. One of the most important aspects of preparation for chemistry. As of mine, I got 19 marks in mains and 60 amps, paper 1 plus paper 2, in advance direct from my own short notes. 2 for inorganic inclusive of the qualitative analysis. 1 reactions, agents, exceptions, CSM, tar, so on and so forth. 1 formulae. 1 for maths formulae from BT, P, and C, integration, coordinate geometry, so on and so forth. Self-assessment. Study all the 3 subjects every day, accordingly split the time. Do every week assessment of the week's study through means of exam or revision. Similarly, towards the end of the month, conduct exams and monitor your progress on the particular topic. First year, get the understanding of all the topics and all the subjects with considerable depth. List out your strengths and weaknesses from the same, and now schedule accordingly, giving more time to weakness, but always polish your strengths to shine even brighter through means of previous papers or solution sets, so on. Second year, except the final 5 months of the exam, get done with physics, at least touching new topics at least 4 or 5 months before the commencement of exams. I repeat, do not at any cost touch new topics of physics 4 months from exam. It'll only lead to an exponential enhancing of a dilemma. You can always touch math and chemistry, but selected topics last 4 or 5 months. Keep revising concepts of physics. Keep practicing math. Keep referring to the short notes and do problems in physical chemistry. Try out various not the last month. Keep writing the exam at end of every week, but of total portion. Rectify your mistakes from exams last month. Most important period. What you will do in this period will decide your road to be taken. Do not try out new models. Keep revisiting notes. Keep yourself in one piece. For Christ's sake, do not crack under pressure. Be your own mental support. Just take the extra step, how heavy it may seem. Do meditation if needed. Just go forth, glory away. Parents, the warmth, the pride your father or mother will experience every time they say, "My son is an IIT, that is the sole reason you need to walk the final step and then into the path of majesty. But don't this be your weakness? Many students break down stating, "I couldn't do it, Pa, I couldn't reach your expectations." But let this be your voice: "My father trusts in me. My mother trusts in me.